Well, I'd been a property investor for many years, and I looked at what was available in the market for buyers looking to build an investment portfolio, and there was really very little support for those people who were looking to buy. Everything was driven around the sales industry. Selling agents were selling properties to buyers that, while it might have been good for the seller, wasn't necessarily the best investment for that particular buyer. So I thought there must be a good business model where I could obviously start something, but also something that really was close to my heart, and that was helping buyers make the right investment decisions, because I'd seen it from my own circumstances and others that if you make the right investment decisions, it can set you up for life. If you make the wrong decisions, it could set you back 10 years or more. We always knew that to help investors, we had to help them with the holistic part of their property investment. It wasn't just about buying the right property, it was making sure that you could get finance in place, not just to get that first property, it was also making sure the structure was set up correctly so you could get your second and third property, which is what most investors want. In addition, it was also about managing those properties well. All those things together were going to be far better than just an individual service to help investors. So for us from the very beginning, it was all about having that holistic property service in place. In 2006, we started off with a small team of finance brokers. We soon added the buyer's agency service where we're helping investors buy their properties and negotiate on their behalf. And then we started to add property management as well. A lot of people were getting past their first and second property and wanted the ability to value add to those properties. So in 2013, we established our development division. That was where we basically took from beginning to end the entire development process, and we looked after them on behalf of our investors. That allowed them to build more properties and enhance their property investment journey and get better rental returns as well. We also knew that there were some investors who are perhaps a bit further on in their investment journey who are less focused on capital growth and more interested in returns every month. And while resi is a great place to start, commercial is generally a place where you want to end in your property investment journey because it gives you that better return. So in 2015, we purchased an established commercial property funds management business, and that provides investors with pretty much investment opportunities almost from the beginning of their investment journey right through to the end, and that's what we always wanted to achieve. Well, fast forward to today, we're one of the most established property investment consultancies in Australia. We've helped over 2,700 property investors along their journey, and it's certainly been a great pleasure to watch the fantastic outcomes we've been getting for those clients, but it's also been really thrilling for me to see our team collaborate together across different divisions to help the clients get the best outcome.
Momentum Wealth has always focused on bringing the best in the industry, but the true key to our success in supporting our clients really lies in our collaboration. It's because we have these in-house experts all working together that we're able to offer our clients better and more comprehensive advice in the different aspects of their property journey. We've helped everyone from first home buyers to experienced investors. For someone who's just starting out their property journey, this might start with them coming in just for a loan, but throughout the process, they begin to realise that they actually need more advice in regards to the property itself and the buying strategy. This is where our finance brokers and buyers agents will work together to put in place a holistic plan to get the best possible outcome for them. Likewise, if you're a more established investor, perhaps got already a few properties in your portfolio and would like to experience property development, we can help manage the project either directly through our client development services or even indirectly through our property development syndicates.
At Momentum Wealth, we recognise that a big part of success in property occurs after the purchase. Buying the right investment property is an important transaction. Holding on to that property and building a successful portfolio over the long term is a process which brings unique challenges and opportunities to every individual investor. So for us, a big part of our focus is providing advice and support to investors long term to help them achieve their property goals. From a property management perspective, this goes beyond collecting rent and organising maintenance. We take a long-term holistic view of our clients' properties in the context of their wider portfolio. So our property managers are regularly reviewing the properties for opportunities to add value, opportunities to support our clients wherever they happen to be on their property journey. This long-term approach applies to everything that we do. For example, our finance team work with our property management team to keep in touch with our clients, offering them loan reviews on a regular basis to make sure that the cost and the structure of those loans continue to serve the client's objectives. Going beyond the cost of the loans, we work with our property management team to review our clients' holding costs. We also collaborate between our buyers agency and development teams with our property management team to keep our clients informed about any changes to zoning, property trends or the general market that will help them to keep connected to their property and make long-term decisions about how they hold, sell, renovate or develop their properties moving forward.
In the end, we've always been about the investor. From the time we started this business right through to today, it's all been about helping those investors build their property wealth and helping them on the journey. I'm really excited about the future and what we can do to help those clients achieve even more wealth through property.